you can maximize my screen in your uh, tab or whatever. Yeah, yeah, you can look at my screen. That is, I'm going to explain you something, then once you listen that, I will tell you what to do, step by step I will tell you, you can do it. So you have maximized, no, you are looking at my screen only. Ah, oh, okay, okay. So no, no, that is what I suggest is, you please, you focus on one thing only. If you are looking at my screen when I'm talking, no, that'll be better. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I am able to see your screen also. Okay, okay. You are, yeah, yeah. There is, you are showing what's the problem? So, uh huh, uh huh. So what I should do now? I should resume presenting. No, okay. Yeah, I will do that. Yeah, yeah. Ah, okay, okay. So now it's there, no? Okay, right. Now you see, I am looking at the bottom of the staircase, and I expect to be flat in the bottom. Generally, it will be like that only for staircase. So what I'm going to do is, I have not yet applied the array modifier for my steps. I think in your case also it is same. I think you didn't apply the array modifier. I think that is apply, no. This apply I'm saying. You can my if you see my cursor, you know where I'm pointing out. Ah, yeah, yeah. If you are no, no, don't have to do that, I'm saying don't do that, because we have still we have some more work also. So yeah, uh, I will tell you once I do the apply, no, see what is happening. Okay, before applying I will show you the difference, then you will come to know the difference. So now, before it is before applying, I will move the vertex. See, all other instances also will move. See, yeah, yeah, without before applying. Yes. Now I'll go to object mode and go to array modifier and say apply. Applied. Yeah. Now it is going to be the after apply. What I'm going to do now? I'm selecting the same vertex and moving it. See, there are no more instances. They are different entities. When I move the vertex, they are not reacting anything. They are not uh, copying the same motion, right? You're getting what one is changing. Yeah. So that's the difference. So now we need we want them to be a copiers. We want them to be a followers or instances. So we should not apply the array modifier. So I'm keeping the array modifier on, that is without applying it. Now I'm going to make some changes in the original step, original cube. I have selected the cube. Go to edit mode. I'm pressing tab in the keyboard. It will take me to edit mode. Yeah, I'm in edit mode now. Now, one thing I'll do, because it's white in color now, so you won't be able to see the vertices what I'm selecting clearly. So let me put it in some gray color mode, dark mode, so that you will see the contrast. Yeah, now you should be able to see clearly what I have selected on the. Yeah. Now I'm taking this vertex to the in the top vertex, no, I am going to marry this vertex to this guy, this vertex. Yesterday we did that, merging two vertices and making it one. Same that marriage I am going to do for those things. Huh? I'm selecting the bottom vertex and switching on the horseshoe magnet. In that, vertex is on, vertex mode is on. Other than vertex, we were using grid snap, which is here they call, in Blender they call it incremental snap. Grid snap is the actual name actually. So but now I'm using vertex snap. So I'm switching on the vertex in the menu. Now if I just, I should make sure that I have selected only this vertex, okay? Because sometimes I see you drawing rectangle and then selecting. Please don't do it. If it is only one vertex you are going to select, no, pick selection you do. Means what? You have to take your cursor there and then you are going to stamp on your left mouse button. That's all. This is called pick selection. Right. Now I'm going to move it and tap, it will snap. See, I'm not doing it. When it is nearing the next neighbor vertex, it is just snapping on it. So yeah, this is what we want. Right. Now this side also I want to snap. See, the instances also is made the same thing. They are also following the same what I did for this vertex. Same thing has happened for the instances also. Okay. Now I'm going to hide the pillar because it is obstructing. It is not showing the other side. Yeah. Now I'm able to see. Now this vertex also I will do the same thing. This vertex to the top one. Right. Now you see the bottom is looking flat, right? You see that? Yeah. So this is what we want. Bottom should look flat. Now, though I did the snapping, there are still two vertices. So I have to do the merging. It's my duty. I have to do the merging and make those two vertices one vertex. So for that, what I will do, I will go to, I'll make sure that I'm in rectangular selection in the toolbox. In the top first icon, that rectangular selection is there. It should not be in tweak or it should not be in circular selection. It should be in rectangular selection. Now in this case, no, I will draw rectangle. Here I am going to draw rectangle only and make sure that it is in X-ray mode. Now I am drawing rectangle carefully on that spot only. You see how I am drawing rectangle, no? You are seeing, no? Yeah, yeah. That is, some people are doing like partially like this. No, no. We should, if I'm, yeah, correct, yeah, correctly it should cover around it. We should put the rectangle. Yeah, now I have done it. Now I am pressing M in the keyboard. It is showing a menu. There I am choosing the distance by distance. Let me open immediately. I should not click anywhere. I should go to the settings on the left side downside and I'm seeing point triple zero one. So I'm going to type it as 0.01. You will see a small change happening in those vertices. Yeah, it has merged. Now if you want, oh okay, yeah, it should have happened. We can just test it by picking select and do, yeah, it has happened. Now it's merged. Yeah, it's merged. Yeah, that is when you are previously what we did, we drew rectangle and selected, right? Because there were two vertices, so we had to do the rectangular selection. Now, because I am confident that it has merged, no, so I am taking my cursor and just doing quick selection because there is only one selection. Means what? It is single object selection, object or single vertex or single face or single edge or but single. So whenever you are selecting single, then at that time we have to take your cursor there and then pick selection. Right. Now this side also I have to do the same. Alt A, deselect everything, have a fresh selection and draw a rectangle and press M and then by distance 0.01. Yeah, it's already applied. That's all. It's only one vertex. Now we have to merge this edge and this edge also. like how we did for this cube and next cube yesterday. Like that same way here also we have to apply these array modifiers and then make them as separate. You would have done this for, did you do the handrail today? Handrail you tried, huh? Cylinder you tried, okay. uh, okay, okay. But uh, yeah, but handrail you didn't finish, no? Handrail. You, yeah, you didn't finish the cylinder, so you couldn't go there. Okay. Yeah. Copy modifiers were stuck there. Okay, no problem. So, yeah. Yesterday, what we did for handrail, same thing we are going to do here. Means what? Now it is a single mesh. The original is here. Remaining things are all instances. So now uh, I'm my work is done with this staircase, so I can actually select the cube in object mode. I can select the cube and then apply modifier. Right, I've done it. Apply. Now even if I move the vertices, they won't, there are no instances, they are all single mesh. You can see in outliner it is just single mesh. Yeah. Now for this single mesh, no, if I just select, because this that is, if I just go to edit mode, sorry, you can see the separation here, right? You can see the separation. You are able to see, no? Yeah, yeah. So now, no, I have to remove this separation. They have to become one. Means what? They have this trapezium kind of triangle kind of thing. After that, when the it is like the line is coming here, it should be only one vertex here, but there are two vertex, they are separate, so it should not be like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to press A in the keyboard and I have selected everything. Now I'll press M, and by distance I'll say it's all merged. Now I can say it's all merged. I will deselect and just test it for you. I'm going taking my cursor there. I'm doing fix selection because I'm confident that it is only one vertex there. Previously it was two vertices. Now it is only one vertex. You see, yeah. So this is how we did for the handrail also. It was two vertices. When now it is only one vertex. So like that same way for steps. Now for this steps, now what I'm going to do is I'll go into edit mode. I will select the face and then I will switch off the X-ray so that I can see clearly what the only bottom side I can see. Right. I'm selecting just one face. Now you see I want, it is very thin, no? The steps are like looking like paper. They are not looking like concrete, no? Staircase very light, it is looking very thin, so I have to make it little fat in the bottom. For that I'm going to extrude it. Before that I have to first select, only then I can extrude it. For that what I have to do, I have to first select. Now I have selected the first one and I'm pressing shift, selecting the next one, like next one, like this I'm selecting. But it will take long time, if I start selecting like this for so many, like I think 70 or 65 something we duplicated. So 65 faces I have to select, it takes time. So instead what I'm doing, I'm trying for some shortcut for selection. For selection alone, I'm seeing, I'm trying to find any shortcut is available or not. So I'm in edit mode. I'm seeing there is in the sub menus there is an menu select. So I'm going there, and in the select similar, under select similar, I'm seeing many options. There is a menu there. In that select similar menu, I'm seeing perimeter. Perimeter means borders. That is, if I select, uh, that is this same kind of perimeter, we are asking the blender to select. That's what is the option is. The tool is. So select similar perimeters. I have selected this perimeter. We are asking Blender to select similar. Like you, many guys are there, no, resembling you. Like that, you select other perimeters also. Like that, we are telling the Blender. So I am going to select similar and perimeter. I am applying. See, it has selected all the bottom faces. See? Yeah. So these kind of shortcuts are there in Blender. It's a nice tool. Now see what I'm going to do. What I will do, I'm pressing Alt E and then choosing second option, extrude faces along normals. Means what? It will be whichever shape it is. In that shape, it will get duplicated. Whichever orientation it is in that orientation it will duplicate. So it will be that perpendicular to the 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 ground, the from where it got extruded from the mother faces. So now I am choosing the second option. You see, like this, it is becoming fat now. So we got some depth below the staircase. I'm clicking it. I'm finalizing. Yeah, yeah. So like this. Maybe even more if you want it to bring downwards. Uh, I have just undo. I just did the undo. Now I will again do Alt P. Second option, extrusion. Extrusion faces along normals. I'm just dragging the mouse. It is showing the increasing of width. Yeah, width is increasing. This is too much width. We don't want this much width. Okay, this is okay. I feel right. That's all. So like this. Yeah. So now you can do this one, no? This bottom one you can also do. You can share your screen. Your screen you can share, please. Okay, it is in sharing only, no? Okay, right. So yeah. Okay. So now you can select the cube. Select the cube. Go to. Yeah. Select the. Yeah. That is in the outliner also you can select. Okay. Uh, yeah. Yeah, okay. You are in edit mode. You have to go to edit object mode and then come to the selection. Yeah. That is okay. In that case, no, you didn't name it, no. So in that case, you can visually select in the 3D viewport only. You can select cube. Yeah. Okay, right. Now array modifier is alive. That is what we want. Okay. Now go to edit mode. Go to edit. What happened? Okay. Yeah. No. You have to select. No. It's you have by mistake you have selected the cylinder. I think. There is you are in cubes. You are in cubes. You are saying, but Yeah, yeah, but I'm able to see the cylinder, no pillar, big pillar cylinder also with some vertices. You go back to edit mode, object mode, no? Just Alt A only, but it is not fully selected. Ah, okay, it is in. Now you select properly, no? In the viewport only you select. It's okay. No, no. You go to object mode and then only you can select. Select the cube. Now you go to edit mode. Yeah, yeah. Now we have to select that vertex which we have to merge with. You select that backside original steps backside vertex. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Yeah. Uh-huh. It is in vertex. You don't have to zoom. You just select one vertex. I will tell you how to zoom. Yeah. Now you press function dot you press uh, function dot is not working. Uh, yeah. Oh, okay. So now little zoom out because function dot will zoom completely inside. So we have to little zoom out and start working. Little zoom out. Yeah, little more. Enough, enough, enough. Now you turn the camera facing the back side. Backs. Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. Enough, enough. Now we need not change the view. It let it be like this only. It's okay. Now go to the upper. That is X-ray mode and all there. No, that actually you can switch off. I think later we will switch on. Now you can switch off. Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. Now you remember, I think we have to switch on the vertex snap. So where the snaps and all, no, no, not that one. That is, whenever we talk about snap, no, it is related to horseshoe icon. Wherever the horseshoe icon, there all the snaps are there. That is, if you see in the top, no, yeah, that's all. Yes, yes. Near that one menu is there. Just open that. Yeah, in that vertex should be on. Vertex in the menu should be on. Yeah, that's all. Very good. Very good. Now, now you just take this vertex to the neighbor upper vertex. No, no, this one only. What you have selected. No, 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 no. This down one, he should go to the top. Yeah, he should go slowly to the top. Now you go. You take him near. It will snap. You felt that snapping. No, tuck. It will go there when it is coming near. When it is the, yeah, when it is nearing that territory, it will snap. Yeah. Now we have to do the same thing for the other side, but before that we can merge this one. So now you can switch on the X-ray mode. Yeah. Now draw this view need not be changed. Let it be like this only. This view is okay. Now you are in rectangular selection in the toolbox. Okay. Now you draw the triangle rectangular rectangle and select those two vertices where you snapped. Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. Now merge. Yeah, M for merge. M you have to press. M. Yeah, last option. Last by distance. Yeah, yeah. Now you have to change. It's too low, no. So I think 0.01 is okay. Yeah, that's all. It got merged. uh, Now you if you want to test it, no, you can just do click pick selection and just move it. Yeah, that's all. Only one vertex. Yeah, yeah. So same thing we are going to do for the other side also. Other, not the, yeah, that's no, no. Okay, this side you are turning. Okay, okay, yeah, no problem. Yeah, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, yeah, this side, yeah. This one should go to the top. Yes, but little turn, face it from the back side. No, you are seeing the side. Yeah, yeah. So that that overlapping of other side vertex won't be there. Yeah. Ah. Now take it slowly to the top. That's all. That's all. Very good. Now you have to do the rectangular selection and then press M. No, 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 not pick selection because two vertices are there. No. So rectangle. So yeah, yeah, yeah. That's all finished. No, it's already there. Yeah, yeah, that's all finished. You have done it. Now you see all are merged. There is flat. Yeah, yeah. Now we have to. Our job is done with the staircase. We don't need this array modifier anymore. So we have to apply array modifier. Uh, yeah. Now for applying, no, always you have to go to object mode. Yeah. Yeah. There only. Yes, it's very good. Yeah. Super. Super. Now, yeah, let the cube be selected only. Now you know that that geometrically they are not joined. That is inside the cube. That is, I will tell you one thing. Inside this cube, no, first original cube, now it's no more original. It is all entirely one mesh, and there are no more instances and all. There is no concept of instance now because we have applied the array modifier. Now that first cube and second cube should geometrically get joined. So for that, what we have to do? Again, merge concept only. Again, merge concept we have to implement. So uh, edit, go to edit mode. No, yeah, edit mode. Press A. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now you what I'm telling you, you're getting, you're getting, okay, okay, I will tell you. I will tell you now. You just deselect alt A, deselect. Yeah, you just move the vertex though same where you got the that same, just move and see. So they are separate. So this only we are going to solve it. For that only, all selection, press M. Yeah, by distance, always by distance. Yeah, so 0.01, I think. Yeah, it got merged. That's all. No question at all. Yeah, yeah. Now you can select and see. Yeah, you can select and see. No, no, this time, no, no, pick selection because single, no, pick selection. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No. Okay, okay. No, in that case, no. I think you press A, press M. Uh, it is in vertex mode. Okay, fine. By distance, okay. Yeah, yeah. Press. Now I think it's 0.01. No, so increase it to 0.05 or something. No, what difference is if it is little distance. No, if you didn't bring it properly so near, then this issue may come. You just now it is joined means what? Previously the distance, undo one undo. Yeah, that is enough. So what happened, point zero 0.01 is not the distance, was it was remaining. uh, Distance was 0.05. it was too distant, too much. So that is why, no, when we are, you told, no, you messaged me that cube is not so well connected in my file, like that you told. That is space. So that space is more here. So in while doing in the beginning itself, this we should zoom and try to align so exact. It takes time, of course. Like that we have to do. Okay, no problem. Now we have, if just by typing 0.05, no, it'll get merged. That's all right. Now you can alt A, uh, alt A, deselect. Yeah, right. Now you remember, I think what we did, we have to select the faces, number of faces at the bottom alone, not in the upper region. In the bottom of the staircase, we have to select the faces. Now you can switch off the X-ray mode because it is so other side and all, we don't have to see. Yeah, right. Now even more, in one more thing you can do, I think just try gray mode. No, what I'm in gray mode. That is after, next to X-ray mode, one icon is there. Yeah, yeah. Now you switch on. Yeah, this is called gray mode. When you now you go to face mode and go to face mode. Yeah, yeah, there only, correct, where you went it. Yeah. Now you select the face, no, bottom face, one face. See how clearly you are able to see what you have selected. For that only gray mode I am using, people are using. Right. Now this gizmo is hindering us. We don't have to anymore move anything or rotate anything or anything. So we you just press W in the keyboard. So yeah, this gizmo will be at rest. Right. Now we have selected this face. This is a perimeter. So similar perimeters we have to select using some tool, so that our work will be saved. So you have selected one face, and go to select, view selects in the sub menu. View select, there select similar is there. Yeah, the perimeter you can choose. Yeah, yeah. That's all. Now we have to, you just press alt E. uh, Choose the second option, that is normals. Yeah. Now you have to drag slowly, no, very slowly. You can, yeah, you have to drag it very slowly. It will work very fast. No, you take it up, your cursor, take it upwards, uh, little more upwards. Continue. Yeah, little more. I think enough. Bus. Now just one click. That's all. Finish. Actually, it is showing some settings. No, here also you can just try, just for your learning. No, you can just try it and come back to the same value. Yeah. It's called width or offset. We can call it. Yeah. Yeah. So once you click outside, this settings will disappear. That's all. Yeah. Right. Now you have done with the steps. We have got the depth also for the staircase. Very good. Nice. Um, yeah. Okay. Fine. Now we have to do the unwrapping work. Uh, so I will just show you. Huh? Yeah. It's so I have selected the steps, no, like this. I have selected. Uh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. The same perimeter, no? That one. Same thing. Yeah, yeah. So same one and then select and similar perimeter. That's all. Same way this also here also applies. This face, this perimeter I have selected. I'll go to select similar and perimeter. All those places will get selected. Yeah, yeah. So today I will explain you about the shading, so that no we can have a nice shading, reflective something. Uh, so the pillar I have to unhide, and we can do also no for this. If you see, right click and shade auto smooth you can do, or shade smooth also okay. Shade smooth also okay. Okay, auto smooth is best. Right click auto smooth is nice. So like that for every object, auto smooth we can apply. Right click auto in object mode we can apply. Okay, fine. Auto smooth. Right. Now, uh, so I will go to the. I will first rename it as, uh, staircase. Okay, fine. And then, uh, handrail. Baluster. Right. This one is pillar. Okay. Now I am going to apply and then do the lighting work so that it will get finished. Uh, yeah. First for the I am selecting the staircase. I am going to material, that is in the properties panel. I am seeing many icons. In that I am seeing this material properties. I am taking my cursor there and pressing there, and I'm able to see the settings. I'm pressing on new. This did we saw this anytime? Did we do this anytime? No, no. Okay, okay. Okay. So in the properties panel, you are seeing many icons. Once I select the object only, you will be able to see certain icons. Otherwise, you won't see. Like if I select the empty, no, you see the properties icons are changing. They are, yeah, yeah, according to the object what we are selecting. If it is mesh, it will show material like that. Some extra icons and all it will be showing. If it is only empty or light, no. Now I will see. I will select the camera. You see the it will show camera icon here. Means what? Object properties, object data properties. In that object data properties, the nature of that object will be nature of that object. So details will be here listed here. Like if when I select the camera and go to object data properties, it will show lens, focal length, all that it will show, depth of field. So like that. So when I select the mesh, it is showing the mesh icon here, like triangle with vertices like that. Some images there on the icon here, below, just below that object data properties, material properties is there. There I'm going to click new. It will take some time. Yeah. Now I have to name it as staircase, MATR. So now I will tell you about these factors. What are all they? Uh, First one is basic color. Means you know that you know uh, there is any object will have some color. So white and black are not color; they are just darkness and brightness, brightness and darkness. So we have to give the color. But for the colors to be seen, no, first I have to go to preview mode. Though not rendering mode, I have to be at least in preview mode. This is only solid mode or shade mode. It's not preview mode. So to go to preview mode, I have to select Z and then go to preview mode. It will show four options. In the down option, I am selecting, which is preview mode. It will look very white, fair in color. Now I'll go to material settings, right side, that is material properties, and in the base color field, I'll just click and I'll choose uh, like some like blue color or something. I'll choose. Okay, so and now I'm going to increase metallic properties. Metallic properties means it will have reflection. Like you can, uh, it will look like metal. It will have the properties of a metal. We need not tweak many factors to get a metal uh, effect. We can just increase the metallic to 1. It will become metal. It will show up like metal. If you want to see the effect, no, for reflection something else also should be there, no. Only when the external object is there, the reflection will happen there. Otherwise it is like mirror in a dark room. When a mirror is in a dark room, it will not have because of lack of light, it will not have anything to reflect. So same way here also. Now to show some reflection, we have to press Z again and go to rendered mode. You see some, that is okay. I will show you in shading module. There you will see some reflection. Like I will go to material properties and reduce the roughness. You will see that like this. So it is showing the reflective properties. Yeah. So it is too reflective. We have to make it little uh, rough. So I'm just trying to make it little rough like this. Okay, fine, nice. I feel if the object is having little bevel, it will be nice. I'm feeling we'll just try to give it in the modifier itself. There is an option. I'm selecting the object and then going to add modifier and generate bevel. Okay, amount should be like zero point zero 0.01. Yeah, it is looking nice now. Maybe 0.02. Yeah, fine, nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now we can uh, change, like maybe the color we have to make it dark so that it will be contrast. Okay, fine. It is like looking like a marble. Maybe little roughness I will increase so that it may not be so reflective like a metal. Metalness I will just decrease and then roughness also I will decrease. Okay, and darken the this thing. Okay, fine. Okay, it will increase the roughness. Okay, right. Now I feel there should be some ground, otherwise no, it won't be nice. So I'm going to add mesh plane and then increasing its size, and there is a ground now. Okay, fine. Now I have to give the shader for the cylinders. I have selected the cylinders. Uh, yeah, array is there. Okay, still. I'll go to the material properties, press new, same thing what I did for the steps, and I'm naming it here um, baluster material MATR. Now I will give it some red color or something close to red color. Okay, I feel okay. Okay, this is not red color, it's pink color. Yeah, this is okay. Fine. Now for this handrail, something like this same color I'm going to give. Uh, for this handrail too, I'm applying bevel modifier only. I'm going to add modifier generate under generate menu. Bevel is there. I'm applying bevel, right? Okay, fine. Now point zero 0.01 I'll apply. Okay, yeah, and add two segments. When you are doing, you will know the effect properly. I'm adding two segments. Now I'll go back to the material, and I will name this newly created material uh, handrail, handrail underscore, sorry, not no underscore, material. Fine. I'm giving some color. Uh, yeah, like this. Okay, fine. Now for the pillar, we are going to give some texture. Only for the pillar we are giving texture. So till this till this level, no, you just uh, we can do in your screen, in your blender. Just share your screen, no? Okay, it's in already in sharing. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So now you have to yeah, press new. Yes. It will take some time. Yeah. Yeah. Now we have to change the name to stairs space MATR. You can delete entirely. Yeah, yeah, 001, everything. Stairs space material. Yeah, yeah, enough. Enter. Yeah. Now come down, no? Come down. Now you are seeing. Okay, you want to see in shading. I'm going to explain that now in the next thing. Next, that is in the pillar, no? For the pillar, I will explain you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Base color. Uh, Like you can give your own color. I have given it black color. Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you. That is, you are seeing no. You are seeing HSV, right? Um, you know what is hue? H for hue, no? Hue means set of colors. Okay. Uh, Below the hue is saturation. Saturation means concentration of color. If you increase the saturation, if it is red color, no, it will give show you concentrated color when you increase the saturation. When you decrease the saturation, it will show you dim red color. So saturation means concentration. Hue means set of colors. Okay. Value means darkness and brightness. Now you go to the color panel again. Yeah. Now you choose red. Choose red in the now you want dark red, right? Now you have to decrease the value. No, saturation is concentration. Concentration, let it be there. Value you have to decrease. Means what? You are making it dark red. Yeah, but if you take it to zero, no, it will become gray color. In generally in any color panel in 3D software or 2D software, no, when you just type zero, the color becomes zero. That is, they become white and black. Okay, that is not a big issue. Yeah, yeah, right. That's all. Alpha we don't use that. Yeah. Now we don't use that. We don't use it. Yeah. Yeah. So now you are seeing metallic. No, we are going to do the metallic only. But now we have to see it in color. It is in gray mode. So press Z in the key, keeping the cursor in the viewport. Press Z, and you will see. Press Z. You have to press it. You have to keep pressing. Yeah. Now you choose uh, preview mode. Yeah. 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 Right. Now, uh, yeah. Now you increase the metallic little. There is point 0.2 or something you do. Yeah, and decrease the roughness. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, decrease the roughness. Yeah, now the reflection is there, but we can't. Yes, we cannot see it properly. If you want to see the reflection, you have to go close. Yeah. It is there. Yeah. Now, this is okay. Now, I think you have to select the cube. Select the cube, and apply the bevel modifier. I told no. Yesterday we applied Control B modifier. Do you remember that? Control B sometimes in I think I don't know whether I told you. No, not this one. No, escape. No. There is bevel modifier is in the properties panel. Go to properties panel. Below the outliner is a properties panel. Uh, there spanner kind of thing, no, where array modifier and all there same thing. Spanner, small spanner kind of. Yeah. There do add modifier. Generate bevel, second option. Yeah. Now you see, do you see the effect? It has become, it has softened the edges. Yeah. Yeah, but it was not modifier. That bevel, no, was not belonging to modifier. They are not under the control of modifier. So that what happened, when you apply Control B, selecting one edge or many edges, that settings will appear in the left side. Okay, once you click anywhere with the mouse, that settings will disappear. But here is not the case. You can always see the settings. Yeah. So 0 point. Okay, it should be two less, I think. Okay, you try point 0.1. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. This is also nice. Okay, fine. Fine, fine. Okay. So this one is done. Now you have to select the cylinder. Oh no no. There is baluster poles. Yeah yeah yeah. That one that one. We have to name it. No baluster. You have named it. Right right. Okay. Right. Okay. Now go to new. Yeah material new. You have named it. You have done new one. Okay. Right. Okay. Baluster MATR. Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. Now come down and choose whatever color you want, and then you can work on saturation value, all that. Oh yes, yeah, yeah. Gray and red color will do nicely. You want to what you want to do? Reduce the color. Reduce the color, right? Okay. Then saturation should be zero. Yeah, yeah. Now you want you mean maybe if you want metal this is very less, maybe point 0.1 mil is okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we won't be seeing it much. Oh, you selected the cube, no, by mistake, that's why. I think in laptop, no, when you are working on keyboard, laptop keyboard, your hand is somewhere touching the space, no, mouse space, cursor space is there, no, in the laptop keyboard. Uh-huh. Okay, 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 because in with every student it is happening. So they are all working on laptop only, so I got this doubt. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, yeah. For 3D, no, we have to decrease it. You see. I will also see in Google how to decrease it. There must be some settings for that. Uh, yeah, yeah. That's very important. Because in Blender, no, each cell is having one context. Just if I little move, it is like in Shaolin temple, if I make a little move it will mean something else, like that. We have to be very alert and make a move like that, so it'll be like very good. Okay, it'll be very comfortable now actually. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. It is in the settings, window settings. Okay, right. Right. Now we have to apply the same material for what is that? This one, uh, handrail. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Roughness means what, you know? Roughness means you would have. What? You just zoom it. I'm here from here. I'm not. Okay. I told you, no. Just right click on that. No, no. Select the cylinder. Right click. Shade auto smooth. Ah, yeah, yeah. Now it will disappear. Yeah, yeah. So that is, there are flat shade, uh, partially flat shade, and then smooth shade. So what you have now done is partially flat, smooth shade, partially flat, partially smooth. Like that you have done. If it is completely smooth also it won't look good. So we are doing it partial. For cube it is not needed because we have applied bevel. So only sometimes it is needed even after bevel. No, in this case we don't need shade smooth or anything for cube for stars. So it's okay, we can leave it like that. Now you can select the handrail. Go to handrail. Yeah, yeah. Select the handrail. Right. Now you can just zoom it. No, zoom in little. That is very distance. Uh, Yeah, pan it down. Yeah, like that. Very good. Enough. Yeah. Now we are going to apply this to bevel modifier. Go to bevel. There is modifier icon upward. There is in the icons actually. Icons up. Yeah, there. Yeah. Add modifier. Generate bevel. Yeah, yeah. Right. Now it has become soften the edges. Soften the edges. Now you can apply this very less, 0.02 or something you can apply. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now you want to increase it, that is 2, then segments 2, segments also 2. Yeah, careful. Segments 2. Yeah. Yeah, it make it strong. It will become like that shape is maintained by segments. No. That is six is yeah. The rendering no, it will take and rendering time will take more time. So maximum no, we keep 3, not beyond that. Yeah. Right. Now, handrail we have to color it. Go to material properties and new material. Name it handrail material. Yeah, enter. Yeah. You can come down a little. Base color. No, here. Yeah. Now base color, I feel you gave a gray color and red color, no? So for this, it can be like black color, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that one on. Yeah, very good. But it's too black, no? Let me 0.05 or something. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can increase reflection for this nicely so that it will be seen nicely, metallic or whatever. There is another way of reflection also. I will show you later, but for now we'll manage with metallic. Uh, Now you how much ever you increase the metallic, no, it is not showing any effect. You may wonder it why it is so. For that, no, what is the cause? This roughness is always there as an obstruction. So this guy we have to decrease it. Let him go out. Yeah. Now you can see the effect of metallic. Now, if you want uh, the handrail to become smooth, right click on it and then shade uh, auto smooth or something. That is here on the mesh. You have to right click. Shade auto smooth. Yeah. Like that. If you can just try shade flat also. Right click and shade try. Okay. Then in that case, no shade flat. You can try to use. Right click shade flat. Yeah. Below that shade flat. Yeah. It's good. Yeah. That's why always smooth is not always good. Little it has to be like strong and muscular. Circular stuff. Yes. Yeah. So now I will show you for the um, yeah, one thing I will tell you. Okay, we applied bevel, no? So I think you select the cube, go to the bottom, select any one face, go to the edge mode and select the bottom, select any one face, and then select similar perimeter, bottom, yeah, bottom, bottom means yeah, yeah, there, yeah. Now select one face. You are just alt deselect, you do maybe any other select faces are selected, I'm doubting. Alt a, alt a, uh, no, no. Yeah. So now you again select, because I'm afraid any other thing also may get selected. Okay, right. Now go to select, same thing you can do. Select similar perimeter. Yeah. Now I will tell you one thing. Uh, the upper part is red color, right? You may feel the lower part can be in some other color, right? It can be like so in that case, no, you have selected it, nice. Now go to this right color, sorry, right side properties panel. You do one thing, no, take your cursor to the properties panel top, one border is there, border line is there, go top, little more, there only, yeah, little, make it no, no, that the cursor changed there. There only, little down, that border only, now you make it little, so that you can see the entire properties, yeah, yeah, like this you can adjust actually, yeah, right. Now uh, you are able to see assign, select, deselect and all. It's a new one, no, it is a new settings, because in object mode you won't see all these things. Now you are in edit mode and you have selected the faces, so it is showing this one. Now you can do one small thing, like I'm wondering why it is not showing that space. Wait, just be like this only, don't change anything. I think you have minimized something. Uh, that is, uh, just scroll there. Keep the cursor on the properties panel and scroll up. Properties panel. Scroll. Okay. Scroll down completely. Yeah. This is what I want to see. See the top one. You are seeing stars material, right? Right. No, no, don't do anything. Now what we are going to do, for one object we can apply several multiple materials for one object itself. So that blender is giving that option to us. So how to do that, I will tell you now. uh, Go to, there is a plus symbol and minus symbol there, right? So that just press on plus symbol, right side in the properties panel. Take your cursor up, right side you are seeing plus symbol, right side, yeah, just press on it. Now you have to say new, yeah, careful. Now you have to name it bottom stars material, bottom stars material. Star bottom, okay, sorry, okay, anyway, any name, but bottom should be there, material, yeah, that's all. Now you have to say assign, only then it will get assigned, it will be complete. Assign, now it is white color. Now if you want to change, you can change some color, like whatever color, gray color or dark black color or something. just to have some difference from the red color, stars color. That's all. I don't think I forgot anyone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So now you can, I think roughness is more. So we don't need metallic because it's like it's a concrete kind of thing, bottom, no? So we don't need. And one more thing, yeah, yeah, yeah. One more thing is, if you click on those faces, selected faces, right click on that, you will see the same menu. You just do right click. You will see shade, like shade smooth, shade flat, all that. Now it is in shade flat. If you want to change it to smooth, you can just try it. Shade smooth. You see it will become little smooth. If you want it you can have it, otherwise you can change it to change it back to shade flat only. Means what, every portion, every face can have different material. Every face can have different shade flat or shade smooth, all that. Every shade, every face can have different, whatever it is, different material, different shade flat or shade, we call it shading normals. Okay, I'll call it shading normals. So every face can have separate material, separate shading normals. That is what we are learning. Yeah, yeah, right. Now we have done this, and you can just zoom out and see the whole stairs, no? Whole stairs. Yeah. Yeah. Now, if you come out of the edit mode, it will be, you won't see any lines in the bottom. You want to go to shadow. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. No, no. Generally, we were in layout, or we will, yeah. Generally, we will be in layout. We now I will show you the cylinder, that is main pillar. No, for pillar we are going to apply the texture. So I will share my screen. In that we will go to shading module. What you were about to click. Yeah. So I will show you the shading module for uh, what, main pillar. So I have selected the main pillar and I'm in shading module. Now what I'm going to do is, uh, I'm pressing the I'm going to do the unwrap first before shading. So I'll go to edit, UV editing, and then uh, going into edit mode and press. I have to mark, do the marking. So I'll just press any. I'll go to edit. Sorry, edge mode, and then press. Click on select any one edge. Okay, I have done. Now I will right click there and mark seam. I am applying mark seam. This is called seam. Seam means wherever there is a connection or wherever there is a cut, wherever there is a cut and stitch, that is called seam. So here I have marked, yeah, here I have marked the seam. And then what I have to do is, very important thing is I have to do all transforms, control A, all transforms. Okay, I have done it. And one more, two more markings I have to do. Vertical line marking I have done. Okay, I will deselect. Okay, then again fresh selection, press alt in the keyboard and top circle I am selecting, right click and then mark seam again. It has become red color. Means what? that we are tailors, and we have marked the with the chalk piece, red color chalk piece, we have marked it. And the bottom also we are going to mark. uh, Bottom also we are going to mark. I will again do the fresh selection. Before that I have to deselect and then do the fresh selection. I am selecting the bottom face, bottom circle, and then right click, mark scene. Okay, fine. Deselect. Now I have done the all transforms also. Okay. Now I'll press A in the keyboard, select all the faces in the cylinder, main pillar. Now in the left side I can see the all default unwrap of this cylinder. I don't want this default unwrap which is done by the Blender software. I want to do it manually by myself because we have changed its dimensions. The previously when we were creating this cylinder, the dimensions were different. It was smaller in height and circumference. Now the height has increased, so uh, along with the dimensions also increased. Now uh, we are seeing two panels in the screen. One on the left side is UV editor panel, another on the right side is 3D viewport. As usual we used to work on that. Now on the UV editor panel in the left side, I am going to switch on an icon which is very important. I will show you in close up. I'll go to preferences and show you in close up. Okay, now this is a maximum zoom I can do. Now do you see this arrows where my cursor is? Uh, can you tell me what it is looking like? Because I just want to know where in your screen it is. Yeah, UV sync selection is there, and the symbol is like opposing arrow marks, arrows. Yeah, yeah. So that is called UV sync. We will call it synchronization. Huh? See means what? No, no, it's called sync only. Uh, Means what, like whatever I'm selecting in the right side, that is in the viewport, it must show here. But now it is not showing. Why? Because the sync is off. So now I'm going to highlight it with blue color. I'm just going taking my cursor there and clicking. Now whichever part I have selected, it will show, yeah, you have selected this portion. Now I'll deselect. Here also it will get deselect. Means what? The sync is there between the two viewports. The synchronization is there. That is called sync. So we have to switch on the sync every time we do unwrapping. Now if I select one face here, it will get highlighted here. I'll go to face mode in the right side panel. MC. Whenever I'm selecting in the right side, the sync is happening on the left side. It is showing me. That's all. Right. So this is what sync. Huh? Now, you whenever you go to UV editor panel, just switch on this sync file, and then do whatever you want to do. Huh? Now I'm pressing A in the keyboard in the viewport panel. All faces are selected. I'll bring my cursor to the UV editor panel and press U. Now I'm going to do apply unwrap tool. Yeah, you see what is going to happen. What you are already seeing, no, it is default unwrap, which is done by Blender itself. When you are creating any sphere, cylinder, or cube, it will come along with some UV unwrap pattern. But this pattern we don't want because we have changed its dimension. The height is more, all that it has changed. So we did all transforms, marked as a seams. Now we are applying unwrap. You see, this is the actual dimensions. The height has increased, no? Yeah. Now, whatever texture I'm going to paint on this flat bed, it will show up here in the 3D viewport. So whatever I'm going to paint on this flat bed, it will come in the 3D viewport here. Right. Now, UV unwrap is done for the cylinder. Okay, fine. I'll go to layout module. Uh, Now I'm going to apply the texture, but this time no, I'll go to shading module and then apply the texture. Yeah, shading module. I'm going to tell, I'm going to press on new. Yeah, done. Now uh, I am pressing, uh, I'm looking for the, what is it, checker texture. Yeah, sorry, checker texture. Checker means checker, checker, checker texture. Yeah. So I'm trying to find here. For that, no, I'm pressing. I'm in shading module. I'm inside this shading nodes panel. My cursor is inside shading nodes panel. You can see the shaders, principal, BSDF, material output. All those nodes are there hanging in the shader nodes panel. Now I'm pressing Shift A. It will show a panel. In that panel, I'm looking for the checker texture. Yeah, under the texture menu, it is there, checker texture. Okay, I have found it. The node is there, right? Now this node I'm going to connect, uh, like this. Yeah. So now I have to change the color. Okay, sorry, I have to connect it to the base color. Yeah, you can see the checker texture. Yeah. Now inbuilt textures. Yeah, procedural textures we call it. Inbuilt textures. Yeah. Now you can apply any outside texture also. We can just try this one. No, I want to change the scaling of the texture, scaling of the cells in the checker, in the texture checker texture. So for that, no, if I increase this, it is happening. Okay, but I want to add one more thing, anything, if possible. I'm just trying. So here in Blender we have this option. Once I add this texture, this procedural texture, inbuilt texture, I'll just select the node. Now I'm pressing Ctrl T. You see what is happening. Your two more nodes will get connected, get added up and connected. Yeah, like this. Yeah, yeah. Now you are seeing these two more just by selecting the checker texture node and pressing Ctrl T. This is happening. Okay. Now, yeah, yeah. Now I'll just adjust like this. Adjust this one like that. I can adjust rotation. Also, I'm trying. It's rotating. This way it is rotating, and like this I can scale the resize the texture like that I can do, and I can just try the other modes of You see other modes also I can try from here to here, like this. Whichever different objects will have different expression. So based on its size, and it's very complex. So we just, once we try this, it will show up. Whichever is suitable, we can just take it. So I feel this object is suitable for me. So what I will do, in this I will adjust. So I will just make it like point 2 or something. Okay, fine. Yeah. So like this. Now this color I'm not liking. This color is too gaudy. So what I will do, I am going to apply this color not to base color but to roughness itself. Now I cannot see properly the roughness changing. You know, roughness when it is 1, no? When roughness is 1, reflection is 0. Am I right? Yeah, when you see any surface which has no reflection, means what, there is either uh, some strong bumpy thing, very, it's like granular bumps should be there. When you touch only, you will know that it is like like that feeling you will get. So the roughness is same. Now I have connected this texture node to roughness. Means what it is giving, what input it is giving to roughness is color 1 is brightness, color 2 is black. Now you see, wherever there is black, there is reflection. You can see that slightly, you can see. Yeah. So that is the beauty of this roughness. I always like this roughness. uh, so now what I will do, to make this difference prominent, I'm going to apply here dark color. So like this, no, you can just try. uh, Here also you can adjust scale. If I apply 2, it becomes like this. If I apply 1, it becomes bigger, like this. So maybe 2 is okay, I think. Or even 5, not 5, 8 is okay. Fine. Now next thing, we are going to do the lighting. uh, we have to create the floor and name it as floor, and resize it. Okay, fine. uh, because in rendered mode, in layout mode, there is no light, so it is dark. So we have to keep the light. Now you can also do it. Just try it, no, what we did now. Just try it. um, I think I have to stop presenting. Yeah. Now select the main pillar. Yeah, right click. No, no, right click, shade auto smooth. Yeah, right. Now we are going to do the UV unwrapping. So for that, yeah, no, no, select the object, select the object. Now go to edit mode. Now press any vertical edge, anything will do. Just select, no, yeah. No, no, it has to be in edge mode. Go to edge mode and yeah, right click and then mark seam, down, down. Mark seam, not sharp, mark seam. Yeah, right. Now you can see a red color line on the surface. Now we have to also do the that is the top and bottom circles. Now you can, since okay, you are near the bottom, no, so you can first select the bottom. Press alt and click on one edge. Yeah, right click, mark seam. Yeah, right. I told you, no, a tailor is using the chalk piece to mark on the cloth you are giving. You are buying a cloth in some shop. Yeah, he is marking. So after that marking, he will start cutting. So that cutting, here we call it unwrapping. Marking, he is doing using the chalk piece. Here we are using this red color chalk piece. That's all. Marking the lines, marking the seams means what? Yeah, yeah. There is, yeah. It will unwrap, which wherever it has to be unwrapped, wherever it has to be cut. That lines we are actually marking. Yeah, ending. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is here. Starting and ending means I don't know what you are meaning. Here only, if you see, only one vertical line we have selected. So starting and ending are meeting. That is what you are saying. I am thinking. So starting, where starting and ending are meeting, it should be the same line. Only one line, one single line. So that line we are, yeah, yeah, correct. What you said is correct. So now go to the top, no, go to the top and do the same thing. Top face. You always have a fresh selection. Alt A and then select the top. Yeah, yeah. You have to do that. That is, uh, I will tell you. Alt A, Alt A. Deselect first everything. I told you, no, you are not able to locate there, right? Your camera is not able to go there near. You are suffering it. I always tell you, just go to vertex, go to vertex mode. Yeah, first one. Yeah, yeah. Select any one vertex. Now press function dot. Yeah. Now you zoom it. Yeah, this is how we have to do. Because in Blender, no, beyond one point, camera won't zoom. We have to make a second effort to get there. Right. Now go to edge mode. Yeah. Now Alt A, because you would have selected something already. Fresh, have a deselect first. Alt A. Yeah. Now select the top circle. Alt, press Alt. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Now right click, mark scene. Yes. Okay. Fine. Now you, I don't know whether you did all transformations or not. So for again, no, you can anyway you can again do. But for doing that all transforms, you have to be in object mode. Go to object mode and then apply Control A, all transforms. Right. Yeah. Now you go to UV editing module. Yeah, okay. You have to press A in the in the viewport. No, no, in the viewport, 3D viewport. Press A. Now press the function dot. Yeah, little zoom in, so that middle portion will be zoomed in. Yeah, enough, so that we can see the texture or anything, any problem or something. Right, now this is enough. Now come to the left side panel. No, there you are seeing the default unwrap given by Blender itself. So this unwrap pattern we don't want. Yeah, yeah. Now we are going to change it. For that, no, we have to sync, switch on the sync as you already went. Yeah, yeah, very good. Now press U in the keyboard. U unwrap. Yeah, that's all finished. Yeah. So you have tore it off. Tore. You have tored it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, exploded it. Yeah, that in Malayalam we say polichu. So means what it is, a ripping off like that. Uh, so like so uh, yeah. Now you know why we have to make it unwrap, because only when it becomes a flat bed, no, then only I can paint on it. Like how we go to shop and buy a paper, but the shopkeeper will give it rolled. The paper will be rolled. Now, after buying that paper, rolled paper, you will come to your drawing room, your house drawing room, and keep it on the table flat, unroll the paper, and then start writing. Same thing here also. You have to unwrap the mesh and then start painting on that. Whatever texture design you want to paint on that. Huh? Or apply on that. From Google or something, you will download the texture and apply on that flat bed. Right? Now you have done the unwrapping. You go to shading module. You Right. Now, yeah, correct. What you're doing is go to new. No, no, new you have to, like how you do the new material, no, same thing. Yeah. Now you are seeing a shader called BSDF, principled BSDF. It's one of the shaders. Many shaders are there, but this is the principal shader we will be using. So along with this one, no, we are going to use a inbuilt texture. That texture node name is checker. So for how to get there, shift A. This way also you can go, but shift A is the shortcut. Yeah, yeah, checker texture. Yeah. Right. It will come actually. Just, yeah, you just move the cursor. Uh, yeah. Now you have to connect it to base color first initially, then you can connect it to roughness. Yeah. Now it is showing some pattern. Maybe you can little zoom out in the so that you can see, little pan it down. Yeah, right now. Okay, fine, nice. Now, one thing, Poonam, you are seeing two viewports in the top, right? If you don't want it, no, you can join them. For that, you take your cursor to the border of the 3D viewport. Take your cursor to the border viewport. No, no, not that one. Vertical, upper. No, 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 no. This upper one, upper. Left side. That one. Right click there. There only. Where you went just now. No, 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 not on that. Where the cursor will change. There you right. No, no. That cursor will change there. Join area. Now inside there, no, inside the left viewport you have to click. Yeah, that's all. So you are extending this viewport. Huh? So anytime you can apply this one, right? Now let it be little like this only. Okay, fine. Now, um, uh, as I told you, no, like you have to select. Okay, you can do one thing. Color one should be white, and color two should be black. Like that you can. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's all. Yeah. Now, just select the checker texture node. Uh, Now press Control T. That is actually, I think, function T. I think in your laptop. T for T. E for what I can say. TEA T. Evening we drink tea, no? Yeah. Maybe function you try. If the caps is on, it won't work. Caps off. And function you use function T or something. Ah, function T. Yeah. Uh-huh. It's not happening. Uh-huh. Okay. Mm, I want to see your keyboard layout. Okay, okay, okay. What brand it is? HP, no? HP you told. Dell. Okay. Okay. So why? Okay, you go to. Wait, 1 second. Layout. I'll see. I'll see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Very limited options. My God, you're managing with this. Okay. So I think if you can buy one keyboard, no, it'll be nice. I feel there is Logitech or HP. I'm having HP keyboard only. That is for desktop. We'll be using one keyboard, no. That one, if you can buy, it'd be nice in Amazon and all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But you have space to keep on your table. Uh, Space to keep the extra keyboard. Okay. Then okay. Okay. So now I will tell you where to go in the shader and do it manually. Connect them manually. I will tell you. Oh, please. Yeah, yeah. Please, please. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So, uh, that is in the shader nodes panel, no? You go to add option is there, no? No, no. Shader nodes panel means the down panel. That is up. What you are seeing in the up is 3D viewport. This is shader node panel. In that add is there. Just go to add, no? Add, and then in that input, under the input, you are seeing texture coordinate. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Now you just keep it there. Okay. Yeah. Corner only, left side corner, corner most. Left side. Yeah, there only. Correct. Very good. Now next one more we have to take. Uh, Go to add again, and then go under vector. You will see mapping up. Yeah. Yeah. You can keep it in the middle. Yeah. Fine. Now connect object to vector, object to vector, yeah, and vector to vector in the checker texture. Yeah, that's all. That's it. So you got it. Now I will tell you the values I applied. I typed and figured out. Sorry, what you design? Yes, yes. So that's why I'm going to tell you the values, because this texture coordinate, no, it will change the uh, means the texture node, checker texture node, it has no proper spatial information by itself. It is just getting applied, we don't have control over it. So to gain control only, we are employing two more nodes. One guy's name is texture coordinates, another guy's name is mapping. So the texture coordinates will decide as what I should see it. Through camera should I see, to window I should see. That is, if it is camera, no, wherever my camera is looking at, only there texture will be. So it is deciding the perspective. Now I am saying, no, no, it is not about camera or viewport. No, it is not about that. It is about the object. So object to vector. So we have connected object to vector. It is a, we are seeing it as an object only, because object is unwrapped. Object, that is mesh. Object means mesh here. So mesh is unwrapped. I want to see it as, I want to continue to see it as mesh only. I don't want to see it as camera. That is, from the view of camera only the texture should apply. No, even without camera the texture should be there on the object. So we are connecting object to vector. Now mapping, what is the use of mapping node? He is like deciding how many cells in the texture, where the cells should be, what is the rotation value, all that he is deciding. So now I'll tell you the value. Location and rotations are 0. Only in the scale we have values. In scale x minus 0.3. In scale x minus 0.3. You can type it. Yeah. Scale x. Scale x. Yeah. There. Yeah, yeah. Like control and shift mouse button. Control and Okay, sorry. Just scroll mouse button will be doing. Scroll mouse button. Yeah. Minus 0.3, and next is point 0.2. Yeah, next is point 0.2, and last one is point 0.2. Last one to point 0.2. Yeah. Now we have to change the scale also in the checker texture. I don't know for your cylinder's height how much, how it look. You can just try. Like I have put 8. You just try, that is in the checker texture. It is the overall size. It is deciding the overall size of the. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now, uh, you, I feel I told you, no, I want to give the base color in the principled BSDF to black, and I want to connect this checker texture to roughness only, not to base color. So you can just try that. Yeah, roughness. Yeah. Fine. Now, if you make it black, you can see that roughness effect you go to base color and make it black. Yeah, yeah. It is value 0.05 or something like. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Now you just zoom it in the viewport. No, how? Let's see how it is. Yeah, wherever roughness is 0, that is wherever there is black in the checker texture, there roughness is 0. Means what? Roughness is equal to black, uh, that is wherever there is a black, roughness is equal to 0. That's what. Now, yeah, yeah. If you want to make, give it little slight color, no, color tint. um yeah, yeah, correct, correct. Yes, yes, yeah, exactly. Those reflection spots are black colors. Yeah, black colors. Mm, yeah, checkered boxes. Yes, yes. Or squares. Okay. So, okay, you have given gray color, no? Gray color to the base color. Okay, whichever, whatever you want, you can. Maybe I think I feel, no, little of color tint, like dark red color or dark blue color, like that something you can apply. I have applied dark black blue color. Just it should be dark, like point 0.1, like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe little saturation you can reduce. Yeah, right. Oh, it's becoming brighter. Huh? Okay, okay. Okay, then value only we have to decrease, I think. Like it is 0.11 something, so we can 0.05 point, like that. Yeah, okay, right. So now we can do the lighting. Yeah. We have to do the lighting. Uh, Lighting. We have to keep light and then camera. That is, we have done the texturing, shading. We have done. Now we have to keep the light, no, so that if you go to layout, just go to layout. Uh, yeah, I'll tell you, but go to layout. Yeah, just switch to rendering. Press Z in the keyboard. Rendering mode. Yeah, yeah, it's processing. Yeah. So it's, see, it is dark. Why? Because light is not there. So now little bring down the properties panel, bring down the properties panel. It's too yeah, no, not much, little upwards, enough. Now do you see anywhere light is there already, default light or something, just in the outliner you see? Aha. Okay, okay, right. Right. Now go to add, in the sub menus go to add, and then create light. I suggest spotlight. Spotlight. Yeah. Now take it upwards. Just no, that is it is in scaling. No, axial movement only, not free movement. Go to move tool, gizmo. Yeah, yeah. Now move it upwards. Yeah, Z. That is uh, okay. Yeah, I think some problem with mouse or keyboard. I don't know. Okay, it is having a refresh problem. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, it is doing another function. Yeah, no, it has nothing to do. No. That is first icon. Just change it. No, at least uh, change it to tweak alone. No. First big icon. Tweak. Now you just try to do whatever you want to do. It is getting deselected. Okay. So I think it's a refreshing problem. Okay. Okay, for now, no, you just manage using the keys, shortcut keys only. Keep it upwards. Yeah, keep it. Yeah, like this, and then press S and then scale it. Oh God, it got inversed. Uh, there is yeah, scale. Uh, uh, no, this spot is no, here only correct only. Only thing you have to rotate it. You have to scale it bigger and then rotate. Scale, press yes. uh, yeah, this is rotation. uh, Press yes, no. Yes. If you press yes, it is moving. No, you press yes, no. uh, yeah. Now you turn the camera and see how it is. No. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Just turn the camera and see. We should see whether it is focusing or not rightly. Right. Now, yeah, yeah. Now select the light. You will see the light settings in the right side. Now, uh, wait. I will tell you. Always in Blender, no, this light we have to increase so much. Generally watts will be very less, 10 watts, 20 watts, like that, but it is not at all enough. So what you have to type is some thousand or something. You have to type in the same now you press Z. uh, It is in rendered mode only. I think even more you have to increase, I think. uh, so maybe 2000 and diffused. Yeah, diffuse to 300. Yeah, yeah. I told you, no, in Blender, they're keeping it very low by default. We have to increase it. So like this, if you want to keep one more light, you can keep and decorate it. Like other side also, you can keep one more light. Like that, you can keep. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, you can duplicate the spotlight and then keep one more. Shift D. Yeah, yeah. You can rotate this one and make it face towards the object. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That yellow color dot is there, no, inside the light. That also you can just use for rotation. It will turn the direction of the light. Sorry. Hmm. I don't know why it is making problem. Just go to top, no, top view. Uh, Stuck. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So maybe machine is slow, I think. That inside the light there is a yellow color dot or something glow, small patch is there. That you just grab it and it will rotate. It's not happening. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. It is increasing the fall off, decreasing the fall off. Okay. Actually, it will move here. Okay. Um, so only you have option is rotate. You can rotate towards the subject. Subject is our uh, pillar. So you have to rotate it. Okay. One more thing we'll add. Uh, we Yeah, we can add the ground. Go to add mesh plane. Yeah, now scale it. S, press S and scale it. Yeah, yeah, no, no, not little, small only, small. Enough, enough. Yeah. So now, no, we have to fix the camera. Then you can adjust the color, color of the light, all that. So press 0 on the keyboard. Yeah, now you are seeing the field guide, right? You are seeing the field. That's called field, camera field. Now you just try to scroll it. Just use only scroll mouse button, upwards or downwards like that. Uh, the field will scale up and scale down. Right? Am I right? It is scaling down and scaling up. But if you just, no, it is not zooming in. This is not. That is. Uh, it is zooming, but the content you are not able, it is not zooming. It is completely, it is as a whole it is doing, but the inside content is not changing. You just try to uh, just press scroll mouse button and try to orbit the camera, no, it will immediately become the perspective. So yeah, so to make that field guide, forever, what we have to do, that is, you have to change the content inside that field guide, not as a whole. So for that, no, what you have to do is press N in the keyboard, take your cursor, yeah, and then you are seeing third option like item, tool, view. Third one, yeah. In that, uh, open the view kind of, one option is there on the top. View is there. Go to the top one, view. No, no, top, first one. Yeah, yeah. There you are seeing view lock. Under that, to 3D cursor. Below that, camera to view is there. Camera to view. Now you take your cursor to the field guide, camera field, and just do the middle click and try to change it something. Now the content will change. Content inside will change. Now you try to zoom out. There is a scroll mouse button. Yeah. So now, yeah, yeah. So now this is how we have to set the camera. There is, press zero on the press zero on the keyboard and bring this field, camera field, and then switch on this camera to view. You always don't forget, when you press N, it will show up the transform panel, and then in that last one is view. In that view, you switch on the camera to view. That's all. Huh? It is all recorded in the video, so if you forget also, you can just refer it. I will upload in the YouTube and send you tomorrow. So yeah. So the remaining thing I will tell you in the next class. uh, yeah. So tomorrow I'm going outside, so I'll be in travel for 2 days. So shall we have class on Saturday? Is that okay? You, oh, you told, yeah, yeah. Saturday and Sunday you are held up. Okay. Monday we can have. Oh, yes. Uh-huh. Monday afternoon we can go. Okay. Sure. Okay. So next class is Monday. So, okay. Oh, yes. Yeah. Same time works for me. Yeah. And, yeah. One more thing I will just tell you. This outside this field guide, no, we have to make it black. So I will tell you. You go to select the camera in the outliner. Select the camera in the outliner. Yeah. Now, in the properties settings, no, in the properties panel, below the outline, is the property. Yeah. Now go down, just scroll it, go down. Yeah. There you are seeing viewport display. Open, just open it. There. Now you can see pass a part out. Some word is there, very weird word. Pass a part out. So just make it one. It is point 0.5 now. Make it one. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Main focus is, yeah, whatever inside the field, that is our concern, not outside the field. That's all. Now you can switch on this safe area. Yeah, the safe areas also we can switch on, so that, no, means what, the objects we are going to show, no, it should not be so, what, so on the corner. It should fall inside this safe area. That is what the safe area means. Yeah. Now you want to place the camera. I will tell you how. You select the steps, no, staircase steps. You don't move that view. You select the staircase steps. Ah. Now you go to edit mode. Now select any vertex on the staircase step. Yeah, vertex mode. Go to and then select. Just select. It will anyway select any one vertex. It doesn't matter which vertex it is. Yeah. Now press function dot. Yeah. Now zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Yeah. Now like yeah, yeah. Now you turn the camera and place all that you can. You pan the camera, pan down. For that, now you can use shortcut that is shift. Press shift in the keyboard. Press hold shift in the keyboard and then middle mouse button press hold and uh, yeah, like that. Yeah, right. So like this, you can place the camera and decrease the light value. All that you can do. You select now. You can go back to edit mode. Sorry, object mode. Select the floor. No, that is ground. You have created plane. Uh, Go select a new material for this. Down. New. Yeah. Yeah. Then the base. Yeah. Name it. Floor material something. Uh, Base color. You can some little dark color. It should be. It should not be too bright. It should be like point 0.1 or something or point 0.2 value should be. Yeah. Now even point 0.2 is bright. Point 0.1 you can keep. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can increase the reflection or something and decrease the roughness. Yeah, yeah, it will look little nice. You can change the color also for that. Uh-huh. That is, before it was too bright, no? These red colors were not appearing, were not prominent. Now, if you make the floor little darker, the pillars and other objects will look brighter. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So I generally apply some color for the floor so that it won't be. Yeah, it is hue. If you want to apply some color, you have to work on hue. In the hue, no hue. Yeah, like that. If you slide, it goes from WebGR from red to violet again to red, like that it is. Yeah, this is nice actually. Whichever you prefer, for me it is looking nice. Yeah, yeah. So the subject should be more prominent than the other things. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shadows. Yeah. So now you just a little zoom out. Sorry, little enough. You just press F12. What anything happening? No. It will render now. Yeah, it will render. Wait. This is called rendering. So this you can save it as image. It is an image. Yeah, it is a. Now it has converted all the inputs. You, you want to save it. You want to save it. You go to image, save as. Uh, I told no, it should be render directory. Render not in the desktop. Go back. Render output. No, no, not this one. That bent arrow is there. Yeah, yeah. I will tell you. There are two arrow marks. No, in the up. Go to up. The third arrow mark you go. Okay. Um, yeah, yeah. Okay, right. Render output. Last one. Now you can name it, and then after naming, no, you have to uh, define the color depth also. Careful, careful. No, no. Color depth is 16, right? Upwards 16. JPEG. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah. No, no. It is for PNG. The JPEG is different. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. Save as. That's all. It is saved. So many angles you can just render. One, not only just one angle. Angle one, angle two, like that. Whichever angles you like. Close up also you can do. Like that something. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can change the color of the light. Yeah, and you can even use point light or something like that. You can do. This you have. It is a in Blender. No, render screen is a separate window. Separate windows. Yeah. Okay, you can save Poonam. You can save the scene file as next version, and in the I suggest you drink hot water. No, whenever I get this phlegm, I drink hot water. Keep on drinking hot water in flask. And jeera, no, cumin, I think in English. So that I put more, and it will balance the temperature in the body. Uh, but I avoid milk products, milk, and it creates phlegm. Yeah, throat. Yeah, yeah. That's all. That's all. Finish. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Poonam. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And Poonam, I just want to remind you that weekly payment, no, we agreed upon that. Generally, my students will pay beforehand only. They pay the entire fees. So please do the payment before Sunday, like the weekly payment, so that it won't be a thing in my mind. I generally do that with my students. Yeah, yeah. Tomorrow. Oh yes, oh yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just want to. Yeah, yeah. And you will get the receipt. You don't have to be. I'm a kind of guy who enjoys my what I'm doing. I'll just give my life to what I'm doing actually. So you don't have to worry. Yeah, yeah. So okay. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, no, 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 it won't happen. I have many students. You know one thing, I don't talk to even my wife. If always she will be talking about she is very fond of BJP, so she will keep on feeding me with all the news. In my mind, I'll keep on thinking about what for this student this lesson should be better. So like that, how to get them to the track. The only that thought is going in my mind, nothing else. So like that, and I'm not disliking it, I'm liking it. That is how we should be. We should keep on work is worship. So it's no problem. Yeah. Okay, Poonam, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, Poonam.